If you don't have any sound after installing Arch Linux, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First step, install pavucontrol. To install it, open a terminal and type sudo pacman sy pavucontrol. After installed it, open it and go to the output devices. Make sure you choose the right output device, and very important, make sure your device is not muted. If this didn't work for you, the next step is to install missing drivers to do that. Open a terminal and type sudo pacman sy pulseaudio and pulseaudio-alsa. These are sound drivers. But don't forget to enable them after installing. To do that, type sudo systemctl -- user enable pulse audio. If that didn't do work either, here is the next step for you. Type in the terminal sudo usermod -ag audio user. And after that, make sure to reboot your system. And if you have still no sound, here is the next step. Type in the terminal sudo pacman s SOF-firmware. This is the step that worked for me because I have a Intel laptop. And if that didn't help either, here is the last step for you. Open a terminal and type sudo alsa force reload. This is going to reload your sound system. Make sure to reboot your system after this. I am sure one of these steps is going to help you. If this video was helpful for you and you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful videos. It's Bitwise up.